Hey, what's up all? Thanks so much for tuning back in. So today we're taking a look at the Hornbill Smart Lock. Now this is a digital keypad lock that works with Wi-Fi and an app, really awesome. And it does have a backup slot for an actual key if you need that, but we're gonna go ahead and take a look in the box and make sure to look for the full install and review video that I'm gonna get to pretty soon after this video. So the key-free app control, so you download an app on your phone, you can control users and your passcodes, things like that. It has a battery backup, anti-theft, all these great features. Now the nice thing about this is that it has the key feature. I have another one. I don't know if there's a key on it. Now it's not Hornbill, but the battery had died actually on this other brand, and I didn't, well, number one, I didn't have a key for it. Number two, I don't even know if there is a key access. There probably is, but I got locked out and had to go a different way. So having that key backup is really great. And then that app control is going to connect to Wi-Fi. You can control all the users, really awesome. So it says one button unlock via app within certain range. That's cool. Remote control via an extra Wi-Fi gateway. No idea what that means. Generate or customize the permanent, one-time, time-limited, and reoccurring passcodes. So what is that? You can set up time-limited passcodes. So if you're selling your home and you want to give the realtor access, you can say, all right, you know what? You have access from today till Saturday, and here is your code, and then that code stops working after that. That is an awesome, really great feature. This is the black version. You can see there is a black and silver. I'm really looking forward to actually installing this and really seeing how it works. But today, I just want to see really what comes in the box so you know what to expect. So we have the getting started guide, and then it comes with templates for, I guess these are drill templates if you were going to be using either a left-handed door or a right-handed door, depending on what you need. Now I have also thought about doing this if you don't want it on your front door. I thought about actually doing this like on a pantry door, and then that way you'll know who's actually going in the pantry and you can lock it at any time. But that's just me to keep the kids out, right? So here are some install kit. I guess you have some bolts and things like that and screws, and then you have your backup keys. Looks like it has, how many keys are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 5 keys. That is awesome. I would only expect 2 keys, so you get 5 keys. That is really great. Trusty Phillips head screwdriver right there. So that's where the bolt is gonna come out and lock it. Nice. And this looks like this is going to go on the door, so that will go on the door and added some extra protection. What else? Oh, it comes with a drill bit. This really comes with everything you need, because otherwise you're scrambling for bits. You get that wood bit there. This is really great. I did not expect it to come with all this stuff. Actually has some pretty good weight to it, so you can see what that one looks like right there. So you got your numbers 1 through 9 with a 0, pound, and star. Really great weight to this. I'm really surprised and happy with how this looks and feels. Right here we have a little gasket. It's going to keep the water out. Then here is the backside. Also really good weight to it. Feels like really good quality, especially compared to some of the other ones that I felt. The one that I currently have installed, it's okay, but it's a lot of plastic. I feel there's a lot of metal in this, like whole casing, except for where the battery is. Feels to be metal. So you got this black, and it almost has like it looks like a copper color going around the outside. Really nice. I love it. So you can go ahead, when you're inside, you can just go ahead and manually lock it or unlock it depending on what you want. Or when it's good to go, you just press the lock button on the app and it will automatically lock it. Then you have your battery backup here at the bottom. See that. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 double A's. That makes it nice and easy to access. Sometimes you get these ones and getting access to those different things is a real pain in the butt. You need to find some type of special screwdriver and all this crazy stuff. Here you're just set and ready to rock. So again, I'm looking forward to really installing this right now. You probably see behind me, there's a lot of like patches on the wall. We're getting ready to move, and the new location has just a standard deadbolt. So I'm not a fan of the standard deadbolt. Nothing wrong with it. That's what you have. But I like, you know, having these digital capabilities, and I love the keypad access is really great. So I'm looking forward to checking out this Hornbill Smart Lock. And again, make sure you look for that video, subscribe to the channel, you'll get a notification, click that little bell icon. You'll get a notify when I post that video, and then we can share it together and let you know what I think about the Hornbill Smart Lock. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.